simple terms, physics is a branch of science that deals with the study of matter with relation to energy. Then someone would ask, what is matter now? Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. There are three states of matter, and these states are solids, liquids, and gases. Now, matter is made up of tiny particles, and simply these tiny particles are called atoms. And we shall study this as we go on, where we shall look at protons, neutrons, and electrons. We shall look at properties and stuff like molecules, where we shall realize that some things are literally molecules in liquids. We shall look at solids. We shall look at the properties of all these, distinguishing them from the rest, the solids, liquids, and the gases. We shall look at the chemical properties of each. We shall look at stuff like density. Density will tell us how each of those states is compacted. And we shall look at the particle arrangement in all of these, the liquids, the solids, the gases. We shall look at the particle behavior. We shall look at the shape behavior, the compressibility. We shall look at the plasma, the changes of state, and everything. Now, another thing to think of is energy. Physics is related to energy. As we have seen, it is a branch of science that deals with matter in relationship to energy. Now, what is energy? Energy is simply the ability that enables us, is the ability to do work, and there are different forms of energy. So the capacity to do work or cause change is what we call energy, and we shall look at the different forms of energy, where we shall look at kinetic energy, that is energy due to motion. We shall look at potential energy. We shall look at other forms like thermal energy, or the same as the heat energy. This is due to random motion of particles, and it is related to temperature. We shall look at what we call the electrical energy. We shall look at the light energy. The light energy travels as waves, and we shall see that it does not need a medium for its transmission. We shall look at sound energy, and this travels through a medium, through vibration, and it's the one that enables us to hear. You're possibly watching this video and you're able to hear me simply because of sound energy. We shall look at nuclear energy in future, where we will look at, it is the energy from atomic nucleus, and it is a very large energy. We shall look at solar energy, that's the energy from the sun. We shall look at chemical energy, the energy from chemical reactions, and the combination of mechanical and total will be the so-called the mechanical energy. So let's have a look at the branches of that video. Marks the end of the so-called introduction you need to know on what physics is.